Hi guys, good afternoon. Alright, so it's been some days I uploaded videos on this channel. Okay, the reason why I've actually not been uploading is because I was kind of down. I was ill. Alright, so I was feeling feverish, very hot. At some point I'll be feeling cold and I'll have to wrap up myself, and at some point I'll be feeling feverish, very hot, all of that. I guess is actually malaria. You guys know this part of the country, Africa, of course Nigeria to be precise. We suffer a lot from malaria because there's a lot of mosquito around, and more especially now that it's actually raining, around this side. It's not like raining heavily, but it's raining, so there'll be a lot of mosquito, and sometimes there won't be lights because when it's raining they'll have to take the lights, so we have to, and again you can't even go and on the generator because it's raining, so you wouldn't even want to enter in the rain to go downstairs, or if you're downstairs to go outside to on the generator, so you have to be inside, cold, no light. All right, so I was just feeling a little bit strong yesterday, so I just had to go and wash my hair because, of course, you guys know, in case you don't know, this is actually a week that I did. So sometimes it gets as of yesterday, when I was able to stand up a little bit, I had to go to the salon to go and wash my natural hair, oil it, and then I'll have to plait it again so I can wear the cap. So that is it, guys. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and yeah, you can also share the videos. So today I actually want to talk about my fear in life generally. Alright, before I go on, if you're actually gonna leave a negative comment at the comment section, please don't, because if you do, I'm sure gonna block you. Want to tell you guys about some of the things that I humanly feel sometimes, and my fear in life. One of it is getting married to a man that I am not in love with. Okay, let me tell you guys, I actually used to hear people say that they don't love their husband, they don't have feelings for their husband, and stuff, and many stuff, and be like, there's a story I heard last week, and the lady was like, oh no, her husband is becoming too fat. Okay, she doesn't like it anymore and stuff. So that is just one of my fear. To just round the whole thing up, it's just going to be so frustrating. You're not going to enjoy the marriage because there are some shit you can take from someone you love, but you can't take it from someone you don't love. And there are some times the person will be like, he wants to perform his matrimonial rite on bed, and you be like, no, because you don't love the person. You know how frustrating that would be. It won't bring peace into the marriage, because obviously it is something that you could do like with your free will, with a lot of passion with someone you love, but you can't do it with someone you don't love. So I kind of have that fear. Oh God, I don't want to marry someone I don't love, because I mean, not only do I, want to, not only do I not want to marry someone, I hope you do understand that, someone that I don't love, I don't want to marry someone that don't love me too. So it's just like vice versa. It's just, a two-way thing. There has to be lots and lots and lots of love for you or for me to be able to, get married to the person. Yep, so that is my number one fear. Okay, so the next fear I actually used to have is like, when is Jesus Christ going to come again? And when he comes again, where am I going to be? Am I going to be with him celebrating and stuff, or am I going to be in the other side of the world where there's going to be a lot of suffering, crying, snatching of teeth, and many more? So that's also excuse me, that also, I think about that a lot. And the next fear of mine that I actually used to have is, I actually still do have it now, is falling out of love for someone, or someone falling out of love for me. Like, example, I'm in a relationship with my boyfriend and he's like, oh no, I'm not going to marry you. Or I'm like, oh no, I'm not going to marry you. So how is that going to be? It's going to be like frustrating, more so when you love that person so much. It's going to change a lot of things. It's gonna like change your whole life. Like, it's not like going to be the end of the world, most definitely, but it's going to be really, really frustrating, because obviously you should be having hope that, oh, this person is going to be my one and only and stuff, and it just suddenly end up like that, Alright, so that's it, guys. So my next fear is death. It's not just about me, because I wouldn't, when the time comes that I would go, I won't know. So it's about people that I love, them living and I missing them. Because if I be the one to leave, I won't know that I've gone. I would just like see myself at the other side of the world and looking at them and be like, I don't know if I'm going to see them or stuff. But yeah, that is another thing that I actually used to, because I can remember when my grandma passed on, it was, I really, really felt it, because I love her so very much. I actually feel the emptiness, whenever I have to travel to my hometown. I'll have to go to her room and I'll still continually miss her, and I'll still like visit her in a grave, just to go stand there and just look at the whole thing. And the memory of us being together, playing together, because she actually used to love playing Ludo. So with me, obviously, because whenever I go to my hometown, I actually love playing Ludo with my grandmom, so she loved playing Ludo a lot. So, and she does win. She does win me, maybe because I don't like it, but I actually play because she likes it. Okay, so that is just another thing that I be like, oh my god, which I still do miss her. I still do think about her. she taught me a lot of stuff. She taught me so many things. She taught me things about agriculture. I think I've actually done video where I tell you guys about my grandma and the things she had taught me about agriculture and the love for agriculture. Also, she taught me a lot of manners, and she taught me courtesy, and she taught me to be very hardworking and very, very strong. So I learned a lot of things from my grandmother, and I still love her despite that she's not with us right now. Okay, so the next fear that I actually used to have, fire outrage. Like if I'm in this house and I hear something from electric that is smelling and stuff, I get freaked out. I just start fidgeting, because I'm like, what is happening? If fire starts happening now, where am I going to run to? What is going to happen? Who am I going to rescue? Who is going to rescue me and stuff? So I am usually very, very like nervous when it comes to fire, and that is why I actually did not even like the idea of using gas for so freaking long. I had to like develop that, because I've heard tons of stories where people die out of gas, something happened and this happened and this happened and stuff. So I actually don't like such accidents at all. And more to it, I stayed a little while with my grandma, so I learned some very homely way of preparing food. Yeah, so I actually stayed away. I honestly don't like fire outrage, because watching it from movie alone freak me out. It really does freak me out. Anyway guys, so that would wrap up today's video. I just got a little bit strength and said, all right, let me speak to you guys and let me know your fears, your fear and your of course, let me know at the comment section. All right, let's discuss. All right guys, so I'll see you soon in the next video. Stay tuned and subscribe. I mean, did I just do like this? No. Subscribe, thumbs up the video, and also you can as well turn on the notification bell so you will be updated when I upload a new video. Alright, so I'll see you in my next video. One love.